Imagine changing colors in your photo instantly, no complicated selection, no messy edit, just a few clicks. Sounds unreal, right? But it's real now. And thanks to the Photoshop's new Adjust Colors feature. Welcome back to Farzzology, and today in this video I'm gonna show you the Photoshop's new Adjust Colors feature, and it's super smart and lets you tweak hue, saturation and luminance with just few clicks. So let's get started. First, open your photo and make sure you are on the latest version of Photoshop to access the Adjust Colors feature. Okay, right here in the contextual text bar you will find Adjust Color button. Just click it and Photoshop will analyze your photo and pull out the top 6 color ranges. Take a look here. Photoshop have found these colors. They are the main colors of my photo. Okay, so if I want to change the blue color of the ground, just hit here the blue color thumbnail or round, and you will find 3 options: hue, saturation and lightness. I'm pretty sure you all know what does hue do. It changes the actual color of the photo. It's like spinning the color wheel. As I slide it to left or right, you can see the color is changing. It's looking really great. So I'm happy with this color. It looks nice. And then come into the saturation. It controls the intensity of the color. You can increase or decrease the saturation. Let's decrease it a little bit. And then finally, lightness or luminance. It controls the darkness or brightness of the selected color. So I want to darken it a little bit, so I'm decreasing the lightness here, and I'm happy with this. You can see the before and after easily. Look at this. This was the before and this is after. It's very simple, right? If the color you want to edit is not in the sources, you can use the eyedropper tool to pick the color very easily. Let's see. So here I want to pick this red. Okay, you can use this eyedropper tool. I want to replace this red to this red. So select the color, then pick the eyedropper tool and just click, and you can see. So now this color is selected, and now I can change the hue, saturation and lightness of the paint or of the selected color easily. Look at this. Okay, let's go with this one. You can increase the saturation a little. Okay, let's go with this one. You can see this was the before and this is after. It's pretty easy, right? But look closely. Look at the skin. After changing the red color, the skin also affected. So we need to fix this, and for this, go to the properties panel and you will find, let's take a look at this. You will find these color ranges. You can control the ranges of the color and fix your problem like this. Look at this. Now it's gone. This was the before and this is after. So you can also adjust the color range boundaries to decide how much of the surrounding colors should be affected. And the best part, everything you have done is non-destructive. Photoshop adds a hue saturation adjustment layer with a layer mask automatically here. Look at this here. This was the before and this is after. I have changed the blue color of the ground, but this blue also have changed. I don't want it. To correct this or to fix this, just click on the mask, pick a black brush. Okay, let's go with hardness 100%. Pick a black brush and paint over this area. Pretty simple, right? So now look at this. This was the before and this is after. And that's it. Photoshop's new Adjust Color tool is super beginner friendly, but it's crazy powerful. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Farzzology and leave a comments.